Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to know if someone has read your email after you send it. This is something a lot of people ask about, whether you're waiting for a job reply, following up with a client, or just making sure your message didn't get ignored. Now, by default, most email services like Gmail or Outlook don't tell you if your email has been read, but there are tools that can help you track it easily, and I am going to walk you through the list and easiest way to do it. All right, let's start with Gmail. Since that's what most people use to track, if your email gets read, you can use a free browser extension called MailTrack. It's available on Chrome and works perfectly with Gmail. So here is what you do. Open up Google Chrome, go to the Chrome Web Store, and search for MailTrack for Gmail. Click on it, then hit the Add to Chrome button. Once it's added, it will ask you to sign in with your Gmail account and give permission. Just follow the steps. It's pretty straightforward. You will see the MailTrack icon appear at the top of your Gmail interface once it's installed. Now here is the cool part. When you compose a new email, MailTrack automatically adds a small invisible tracker to it. After you hit send, you will see one green check mark next to the email if it has been sent, and two green check marks once the person opens it. You can even hover over the check marks to see what time they read it and how many times it has been opened. This is super helpful when you're waiting for an important response. That's it. It's super simple, and now you will never have to wonder again if someone saw your email and is just ignoring you, or if they actually haven't opened it yet. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more easy tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.